Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. When you think of a classic Australian get-together, it's hard to miss the vibrant sight of an Australian beetroot salad. This isn't just a side dish, it's a staple at BBQs and family gatherings across the country. Its bright color and refreshing taste are instantly recognizable. This simple salad perfectly captures Australia's laid-back cooking style. It's easy to make and always a crowd pleaser. You'll often find it alongside grilled meats, adding a cool and tangy contrast to any meal. The quintessential ingredients of an authentic Australian beetroot salad. Crafting a truly authentic Australian beetroot salad hinges on selecting and preparing the right ingredients. Each component plays a specific role in achieving that familiar taste and texture, from the earthiness of the beetroot to the creamy dressing and the crisp bite of onion. Let's explore the core elements that make this salad a beloved classic. Fresh or canned beetroot, making the right choice. The foundation of your beetroot salad starts with, you guessed it, the beetroot itself. This choice often comes down to convenience versus a slightly different flavor profile. For a vibrant, earthy taste, many cooks prefer fresh beetroot. You can boil fresh beetroot until tender, then peel and dice it. Another option is roasting it until soft and slightly caramelized. This method brings out a deeper sweetness. However, the Australian preference often leans toward canned beetroot. Canned beetroot is incredibly convenient. It comes pre-cooked and often lightly pickled, adding a subtle tang that complements the creamy dressing. A common question arises: should you rinse canned beetroot? Most Australians do not rinse it. The liquid adds to the salad's color and keeps the beetroot moist. Draining it directly into the salad is typical. Creamy dressing, mayonnaise or sour cream base? The dressing is what binds the salad together, literally and figuratively. It provides the richness and creamy texture that defines this dish. The most common base is definitely mayonnaise. A good quality, full-fat mayonnaise provides a rich, smooth backdrop for the other flavors. Some people prefer a lighter, tangy dressing and might opt for sour cream. A popular variation combines mayonnaise and sour cream. This blend offers the richness of mayo with the added zing of sour cream. Regardless of your base, ensure the dressing is well mixed and coats all the beetroot evenly. Onion varieties, adding pungency and crunch. Onion is essential to an Australian beetroot salad. It provides a sharp, pungent contrast to the sweet beetroot and rich dressing. This unexpected bite is key to the salad's balance. Red onion is popular for its milder flavor and vibrant color. Brown onion, yellow onion, also works and offers a stronger bite. To mellow the onion's harshness, if desired, you can finely dice it. Soak the diced onion in cold water for about 10 minutes, then drain well before adding it to the salad. This step helps cut down on the raw onion bite without losing its distinctive flavor. Optional additions for enhanced flavor and texture. While the core ingredients create a delicious salad, a few optional additions can elevate your beetroot salad even further. These are not mandatory but can add extra layers of flavor and texture. Consider these common additions. Hard-boiled eggs. Diced hard-boiled eggs add protein and a different texture. Finely diced celery. This provides a subtle crunch and a hint of freshness. A touch of vinegar or lemon juice. A small amount can brighten the salad, especially if you use fresh beetroot or prefer a tangy dressing. Remember, these are enhancements. The beauty of the Australian beetroot salad lies in its simplicity. Additions should complement, not overwhelm, the main flavors. Choose what appeals most to your taste. Mastering the preparation, steps to a perfect Australian beetroot salad. Once you have your ingredients ready, the next stage is all about preparation. This is where you transform simple components into that beloved salad. Getting the steps right ensures your salad has the perfect texture and flavor. Let's walk through how to prepare your beetroot, mix the dressing, and combine everything for the best results. Beetroot preparation. Cubing and draining. Properly preparing your beetroot is key to a great salad. Whether you use fresh or canned beetroot, how you handle it affects the final texture and consistency. Start by cubing your beetroot. Aim for consistent, bite-sized pieces, usually about ½ inch in size. Uniform cubes make the salad easier to eat and ensure each forkful has an even mix of ingredients. If your beetroot pieces are too large, the salad can feel chunky. If they are too small, they might get lost in the dressing. The next important step is draining any excess liquid. This is especially important if you are using canned beetroot. While a little liquid from the can is fine, too much will make your salad watery and thin out the dressing. This dilutes the flavors and gives the salad a less appealing consistency. Gently press the beetroot in a colander or pat it dry with a paper towel to remove extra moisture. This small F. With the ingredients prepped and ready, it's time to bring everything together. Stay tuned for part 2. It makes a big difference to your salad's overall quality. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.